Hello friends. Welcome to the second part of Square Infographics. Today we will make this infographic.
First of all, you need to select a blank slide. Now, you need to right-click and click on Format Background. Now, select the type as radial and select this direction. Now, your background has been created. Now, you need to insert a square. Remove outline of this square. Now, let's set its dimensions. Align it in center and adjust it to fit all squares in the slide. Now, duplicate the object and create small squares and adjust its dimensions. Create small squares around the big square. Repeat this procedure for all other squares. Now, all small squares are placed around big squares. Select each small square, then right-click and select Format Object. You need to adjust its transparency to 50%. Now, create tiny squares to place inside small squares. Adjust its dimensions and place inside small squares. Repeat this procedure for all other squares. Now, you need fill colors in these big squares. You can search for color palettes online to fill colors of your choice. Once you are done with the big squares, fill up tiny squares with this color pattern. Next step is to create squares for placing numbers. Again, you need to go in Insert, draw a square, remove its outlines and adjust its dimensions. Repeat this procedure for all 4 numbers. Now, let's give different styles for these squares. For this, you need to click on Format, then you can give any shape to these squares. Now, select big squares and give shadow effect. You need to head to Format Background and give shadow effect. You can give any effect of your choice. Next step is to add texts and icons in the square infographic. Select Insert and then click on Text box. Add numbers to squares in the middle. Now, you need to add icons to this infographic. Now, add texts inside the big squares. Repeat this procedure for all big squares. Next step is add title of the infographic in the middle of slide. After that, you're done.